Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a very delicious breakfast potatoes. Let's get straight to the video. I'm going to start the video by peeling my potatoes. I had 7 medium-sized potatoes. I'm just going to peel them as shown in the video. Then I'm going to make sure that I get rid of the black spots that remain in potatoes. I don't really like them, and we want our potatoes to be super smooth. If you just found my channel today and you like my content, kindly subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes for ordinary people. I know you're going to love a ton of my videos. Just check them out on my channel. So moving on, after peeling my potatoes, I'm then just going to go ahead and finish removing the black spots that I told you about. And then I'm going to thoroughly wash my potatoes for the first round, and then I'm going to rinse my potatoes off with some clean water as shown in the video. And our potatoes are super smooth and looking good, and I love that. So moving on, I'm now just going to go ahead and thinly slice or chop my potatoes as shown in the video so that it doesn't take a very long time to cook. I chopped the rest of the potatoes off camera. I'm now going to go ahead and prepare some onion. I'm going to prepare 1 medium size red onion as shown in the video. Then I'm just going to go ahead and set my potatoes and my onions aside. Moving on, I'm then going to add some cooking oil to my pan. I used avocado oil for this recipe, but you can use any oil that you have at home. Any oil of your choice. I'm sorry about that. You can use just regular cooking oil. It will just make the potatoes as good. Yeah. And then I'm just going to preheat my oil, and then I'm going to add my chopped red onion as shown in the video. Then I'm just going to go in with my wooden spoon and mix that well and separate my onions as shown in the video. I'm going to let the onions cook for a few minutes, and then I'm just going to add my prepared chopped potatoes as shown in the video. And then all I'm going to do is to mix my potatoes together with my onion oil mixture as shown in the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my time and mix my potatoes with my wooden spoon so that my potatoes can absorb that oil. And then I'm just going to saute my potatoes for a few minutes as shown in the video. I sauteed the first side of my potatoes for like 2 minutes, yeah. And then I'm now going to go ahead with my wooden spoon again and mix that well as shown in the video so the rest of my potatoes can saute too. So for this other side of my potatoes, after mixing them, I'm going to let them saute as I now season my potatoes. I'm now just going to go ahead and start seasoning my potatoes. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of paprika powder right there. I'm also going to add a 1/4 tablespoon of garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic, chopped garlic if you have at home. Then I'm also going to add a 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper and a 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper to give our potatoes a little heat. We don't want to heat plain potatoes. We want something to wake us up, so we are going to need that a little heat on our potatoes. Then moving on, I'm now just going to go ahead and mix my potatoes as shown in the video. And like you can see, my potatoes are somehow half cooked right now, so I'm just going to mix them gently with my wooden spoon, making sure that I don't break them. And like you can see right there, the paprika gave our potatoes a very beautiful color. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. So after mixing this well as shown in the video, and like I said, you have to be gentle with your potatoes. Yeah, I'm now just going to go ahead and add my salt. So when adding your salt, you have to make sure you watch your salt, since paprika already has some salt. I'm repeating again, you have to make sure you watch your salt because paprika has salt in it. Then after adding my salt, I'm now just going to go ahead and mix again with my wooden spoon for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add some water around my pan. Yeah, just water at room temperature. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some chicken seasoning to our potatoes. I added some 2 Royco cubes. I'm sorry about that. I broke 2 Royco cubes to our potatoes, and then I'm going to go ahead again and mix my potatoes well. And like I've said before, you have to be gentle with our potatoes, since our potatoes are now half cooked right now. I'm then going to just go ahead and cover my potatoes and cook them for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Yes, at least 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to uncover my potatoes. And like you can see right there, our potatoes are so very ready and looking so good and yummy. I'm then just going to go ahead and add some chopped coriander, lots and lots of fresh chopped coriander right there, and then I'm going to give this a good mix with my fork. You can replace the fresh coriander with some coriander powder, but I'd recommend you use fresh coriander. It's going to give your potatoes a good taste. Thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more simple recipe, and share this video. Give it a thumbs up, it means a lot to me. See you in my next video. Bye.